Hi, I've got my Chrome browser open on tips and techniques. And this question often comes up here at Home Talk. How do you add a signature? I just thought I'd show you. You go to your username up here and go to account settings, left click. And then you go down to signature, left click. And you see on my post, you'll see this on all of my posts. This is my signature. That's my name, what software I use and what I do, what software applications I have and use. I need to update that. And a little bit about my computer and contact information. Now, I posted Home Talk and Chief Talk to help people, because that's what the forum's for, but also to help raise awareness that I can help people, and if you need help and you're willing to pay for it, I'm here for that. So that's the point of signature, but generally, the signature will help anybody who wants to help you to understand what software you have and a little bit about your computer. And those are fundamentally important to create answers that will actually be pertinent and useful to you and your software and your computer. So add your signature, and that kind of promotes yourself. It also promotes good answers to your questions that you have. And that's what's important. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope this helps some people, and have a good day.